what does the business side get out of a technical lift and shift from Maximo 7.6 to the application suite? More often than not, the answer is nothing, or maybe pain. That's not good. At the end of the day, Maximo is a critically important IT tool that serves a critically important business need: the management of the assets that are critical to the operations or productions of an enterprise. So what we want to do is take a look at that and see what the lowest cost way is to make sure that the business stays whole and maybe even gets an improvement in a technical lift and shift. And so what we can tell you is that there's been a ton of improvement, and there are a couple of areas that are really not that costly to implement, but can make a huge difference for the business. The first is mobile. IBM has gotten it right with the mobile product that comes with the application suite. It works the way the technicians work in the field. It does the right things at the right time. It actually makes the technician's job easier, and that is a huge deal. It comes already with the application suite. It uses the same app points. You're not buying additional licenses like you used to. I'd have a desktop license, plus I'd have a mobile license. None of that. It's all one singular app point pool that drives this. So from an IT perspective, all you really have to do is make sure that the mobile screens are configured. It's already there in the platform. It's already enabled, and get the users using that. If there were one thing I would say you want to do in this lift and shift upgrade from 7.6 to MAS, it's enable mobile for your workforce. That will generate a significant ROI for the business side. It's actually going to reduce your support tickets from them because the desktop's way harder to use than the mobile. So you're going to see a reduction there as well. And that's going to provide value to the business overall. Now, of course, there are other opportunities and ways to do this, but this is our top number one. This should be on your radar. If you have questions about other opportunities, how to keep the costs down, but also return something to business at the same time, that's what we're here to do. We're here to talk about that, advise you on that, and figure out what's the best fit for you. It's deep water. There's lots of ways to look at it. So give us a call, shoot us an email. Get ready with Boehne.